Welcomes to all. Today we have discourse on 12th shloka of chapter 1 under 700 days Bhagavad Gita Wisdom Mission. I am Anjali Jadiwal, MD Team 360, invited you to have discourse on blowing of conch shell by Bhishma Pita to make Duryodhan happy. DD sir also relate the teaching of Bhagavad Gita to solve our family problems.
Good morning to all of you. Today we shall discuss about the discourse on Bhagavad Gita 700 days project as a mission. Okay, now today we take up the 12th sloka of first chapter. First of all, I would like to thank Anjali ma'am for inviting me for this discourse, and I also would like to extend my thanks to Anju ma'am for digital support, and I am also feel immense confident and feel happy for the support of Anju for giving thanks also. So we start our discourse on 12th sloka of first chapter. Up to 11th sloka, Duryodhan were perplexed in making political advantages from Guru Dronacharya. Now, the perplexity, perturbedness was imagined by Bhishma Pita mein. So, Bhishma Pita mein, in under this 12th sloka, like to give happiness, cheerfulness to Dronacharya and to Duryodhan. So he blew conch shell for this purpose. In the 12th sloka says, Tasya sangya harsam kuru vriddha pitamahe singanadam vindyo uchchai sankham dadhau pratapvan. So Bhishma Pita may blown like a roaring of a loin. Roaring of a loin, singanad, means the roaring of the great sound of a loin. So roaring of the loin, and this made Duryodhan cheerful that now Bhishma Pita is actively supporting me, and he is blowing the sankhanadam. Okay, conch shell sound of the great sound of the conch shell. In the similar way, he felt very much cheerful and pleased and delighted that Bhishma Pita is strongly, heartedly making me supported. Okay, in the similar way, in our houses, in our families, in our offices, people, we make them a senior most chief executive. He always warns us, he always inspires us through his guidance to us. In houses, head of the family, senior most people in the family, they give their support, making us inspirations. Okay, so Duryodhan felt happy, felt stronger by the blowing of the conch shell of भीष्म पिता में. ओके, अब हिंदी में मैं ये कहूँगा कि भीष्म पिता में ने ये बात ताड़ ली क्या कि दुर्योधन अंदर से कमज़ोर पड़ गया है पांडवों की व्यू रचना देख करके, इसलिए वो दुर्योधन भीष्म पिता में को बतलाना चाह रहा है गुरु द्रोणाचार्य के थ्रू कि मैं कमज़ोर महसूस कर रहा हूँ, आप कुछ कीजिए. और इस बात को देख करके भीष्म पिता मैंने जोरदार सिंह की तरह शंख को बजाया, शंख वादन किया, ऐसे कि जैसे सिंह जंगल के अंदर दहाड़ा हो. तो ये दहाड़ सुन करके और दुर्योधन को कुछ सुकून मिला कि भीष्म पिता में मेरे लिए वाकई में युद्ध करेंगे, और उसको राहत मिली. इसी तरह से अपने घरों में जब अपन कोई बातचीत करते हैं तो वयोवृद्ध लोग समझाइश करके और अपना हौसला बढ़ाते हैं. ऑफिसेज में चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसेज वगैरह होते हैं, वो लोग अपना हौसला बढ़ाते हैं. तो इस तरह से हम जो भी कायरता रूपी दोष से ग्रसित हो जाते हैं. अभी अपन सिर्फ दुर्योधन की बात कर रहे हैं, दुर्योधन में जब कमजोरी आई तो भीष्म पितामह ने अपना जो है शंख वादन करके उसके उत्साह को बढ़ाया, उसके हौसले को बढ़ाया. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
The discourse on 12 slok of first chapter is marvelous. I am Anju Jangid, understood the importance of the teaching of Bhagavad Gita for our daily life. I thanks to the respected DD sir for unique interpretation of Bhagavad Gita. I am Anju Jangid, project director, team 360. Also extend my thanks to you all, wishing the best of luck for your success.